Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here is the most amazing news for our viewers. Yeah, a vital system of Atlantic Ocean currents that influences weather across the world could collapse as soon as the late 2030s. Scientists have suggested in a new study a planetary scale disaster that would transform weather and climate. Several studies in recent years have suggested the crucial system, the Atlantic meridional overturning circulations, that is called in short form AMOC, could be on course for collapse, weakened by warmer ocean temperatures and disrupted saltiness caused by human induced climate change. But the new research, which has been peer reviewed but not yet published in a journal, uses a state of the art model to estimate when it could collapse, suggesting a shutdown could happen between 2037 and 2064. The research suggests it is more likely than not to collapse by 2050. Yeah, this is really worrying, said Rene van Oostron, a marine and atmospheric researcher at the University of Utrecht in the Netherlands and study co-authors. All the negative side effects of anthropogenic climate change, they will still continue to go on, like more heat waves, more droughts, more flooding, he told CNN. Then if you also have on top of that an AMOC collapse, the climate will become even more distorted. Like a conveyor belt, the AMOC pulls warm surface water from the southern hemisphere and the tropics and distributes. It is in the cold North Atlantic. Yeah, the colder, saltier water then sinks and flows south. The mechanism keeps parts of the southern hemisphere from overheating and parts of the northern hemisphere from getting unbearably cold. Yeah, but while distributing nutrients that sustains life in marine ecosystems. The impacts of an AMOC collapse would leave parts of the world unrecognizable. In the decades after a collapse, Arctic ice would start creeping south and after 100 years would extend all the way down to the southern coast of England. Europe's average temperature would plunge, yeah, as would North America's, including parts of the US. The Amazon rainforest would see a complete reversal in its sensation. The current dry season would become the rainy months and vice versa. An AMOC collapse is a really big danger that we should do everything we can to avoid, said Stephen Ramstrop, a physical oceanographer at Potsdam University in Germany, who was not involved in the latest research. To reach their conclusions, the scientists from Utrecht used state-of-the-art models and for the first time identified an area of the South Atlantic Ocean as the optimal place to monitor for change to the circulation and use observational data. Yeah, they looked at temperatures and ocean saltiness there to firm up previous predictions on when the AMOC might reach its tipping point. It is a really amazing. BN's exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.